Joseph Pulitzer, founder of the Pulitzer Prize, famously stated, "Give it to them briefly, so they will read it. Clearly, so they will appreciate it, and above all, accurately, so they will be guided by its light." That was true of communication 150 years ago, and it's even more true today, because Pulitzer couldn't imagine a world with search, email, and Facebook. Only this morning, I had 382 articles in my newsfeed. I also had 177 tweets, 47 Facebook updates, 32 emails, 3 newsletters, 2 PDFs, and a message as long as the ones that people at Microsoft get from Satya all the time. And I'm anxious just talking about it here because I know that it's piling up as we speak. And when I was at Columbia Business School, I also noticed that everyone was similarly addicted to information because it was important to their jobs in consulting, sales, and finance. Luckily, I also met my co-founder, Mohammed Al-Tantawi, who's here with us today at Columbia, and he was doing his PhD in summarization. And together, we created an elegant solution with Agolo, and we do 3 things: scan, organize, summarize. Scan, organize, summarize. Scan, natural language understanding for both public and private data sets. Organize, contextual understanding by connecting public and private data together so that the machine has a superior understanding of the topic. And the last step is summarization, where we can transform that information into knowledge so that with a simple glance, you can become the smartest person in the room. And if that sounds too good to be true, we've heard that before from executives at Citi. And now they're our largest customer. And we found that our 3-step solution, scan, organize, summarize, resonates well beyond finance to the entire knowledge worker industry, from WorldQuant to Prescient Analytics, who I'm proud to say is using Agolo to counter violent extremists and terrorists like Boko Haram in West Africa. Let me show you how it works. This is the Agolo API for summarization that we license to our clients for $100,000. They can pipe through a Reuters article, an investor and a client, and they immediately get a summary in less than a second. And then if there's another related article from the Wall Street Journal, another client, we're able to combine those 2 articles and create a superior summary, because the more information you feed us, the smarter Agolo becomes and the better the summary is. And you can see that in the title right there. Snapchat Incorporated keeps growing. That's not from the first article or the second article. That's algorithmically generated just for you. So how does that apply to Citi? We work with their salespeople, and they pay $500 a month per seat to have access to the Agolo platform, because they're used to this mess of data in their CRM. But with Agolo, they can see this: algorithmically generated business intelligence reports tailored specifically to their interests. So she can create a new feed on the fly for a company like Citigroup where she works, and be able to expand that to be able to cover all the places, people, and products that matter to her. And then after selecting those, she can select any of the 500,000 different data sources that we work with, including OneDrive, so that she can have both public and private summaries across her desk. And the last step is algorithmically generating a newsletter that's tailored specifically for her, so that she can wake up in the morning and immediately have access to the 5 bullet points that matter to her that day. And once that feed is generated, it takes less than a second again. Boom, there it is. The business intelligence report around Citigroup. So she can select one of those summaries, and it will generate a longer one just for her, so that she'll have a superior understanding of that topic as it emerges in real time. And you saw that OneDrive integration. That's only the first step. We raised $1.5 million in seed last summer, and looking at where we want to be, we're raising our A round now. And we believe that summarization is the future of search for one simple reason: because everyone wants to be the smartest person in the room, to know more in less time than anyone else and has never been before possible. Like having a personal assistant whispering information in your ear that is brief, clear, and accurate. And that assistant is Agolo. That sounds too good to be true. Come meet me afterwards. I'm Sage Bones, CEO and co-founder of Agolo, and I look forward to speaking with you. Thank you.